blocks. Elena is with you again. Fast patchwork blocks, it can't be faster. Try it yourself and see for yourself. No more than 5 minutes. The middle can be assembled from small scraps, or you can. As I decided, use a beautiful print of calico or calico. The edges of the bent circle are sewn in a zigzag pattern. It could be a potholder. If you connect several blocks, it will already be a lunch mat or even a blanket. Good luck to everyone in your work.